Solar cycles are natural cycles. So the extraterrestrial solar radiation is 1367 watts per meter square. What arrives on top of Earth's atmosphere is only 340 watts per meter square. The sun's peak radiation is at visible and near infrared wavelengths. The Earth's peak radiation is at thermal infrared radiations of 12.5 micrometers, and the albedo is 0.29 on an average. The solar cycles change every 11 years, and that is when incoming solar radiation changes by less than 0.15%. A change of 0.58 plus or minus 0.15 watts per meter square. But the greenhouse gassing of added CO2 has increased by 50% close to, that is, and then the methane is 160% increase. And this additional forcing, you have to look at percentages. The natural cycle forcing changes by 0.15%, but the added greenhouse gases are changing the forcing by 46% for carbon dioxide and 160% for methane. The loss of Arctic ice albedo alone would account for a 2 watts per square meter increase in heating all over the planet. And sunspots have always existed during the entire Holocene. Holocene is the last 11,500 years. But then the sunspots were not responsible for major climate changes. And at the bottom left, I've shown you a significant decrease in sunspot number, that is at the Maunder minimum. And at the Maunder minimum between 1600s and 1750s, we saw that different seas got frozen and wars did change their in the right bottom. This is the magnetic field of the sun. Watch how the magnetic field flips, and this is why the sunspots keep happening.